APLOS Alpha installation video. APLOS Alpha is a direct flow reverse osmosis drinking water system. It removes 99.9% of contaminants from your tap water. With its 5-stage filtration system, this is the perfect solution for purifying your tap water, fitting seamlessly under your kitchen sink or stylishly on your countertop. When installing, please ensure the surface is level and the unit is installed vertically. Do not lay the unit on its side. The reverse osmosis system must be connected to the cold water supply only. Please note that you should install a pressure reducing valve if your feed pressure is above 4 bar. We recommend that the system is installed by a trained professional in accordance with the operational manual provided. Your APLOS Alpha box includes 1/4-inch tubing, 3/8 tubing, power adapter, adhesive plate, 2 screws and nuts, drain pipe saddle, 3-way valves with rubber gasket, locking clips, operational manual, and a stainless steel faucet with tubing and power lead built in. APLOS Alpha installation. First, pick a location for your stainless steel faucet. Mark an area and drill a hole big enough for the piping to fit through. Once you have a hole drilled in your desired location, feed through the tubing and power lead built into the stainless steel faucet. On the reverse side, feed the locking nut and rubber washer through the tubing, twisting in place until the faucet is secured. Next, connect the faucet tubing to the RO unit and secure with the clip provided. Remove the filtered water and RO purified water blind plugs and connect the tubing from the faucet. Make sure to push the tubing all the way in, securing with the clips provided. The green tubing is for filtered water, while the white tubing is for reverse osmosis purified water. This goes through all 5 stages of filtration. Next, install the 3-way ball valve. First, turn off the cold water supply. Using a wrench, disconnect the cold water supply flexible hose under the sink. There may still be water in the hose, so have a towel or bowl to hand in case. To ensure you have no leaks, you can take the optional step to add the thread seal tape around the brass threaded fittings. Connect the 3-way ball valve to the existing faucet and tighten with a wrench. Again, to ensure you have no leaks, you can take the optional step to add the thread seal tape around the threaded side of the 3-way ball valve. You can now reconnect the original cold water supply pipe, tightening with a wrench to ensure it is secure. Next, connect 3/8 tubing to the 3-way ball valve, securing with the locking nut provided. You can tighten the nut with a wrench if needed, but do not over tighten, as this can damage the fitting or crack the pipe, which can lead to leaks. Connect the 3/8 tubing to the inlet slot on the back of the RO unit, making sure to push the tubing all the way in, securing with the clips provided. Next, install the drain saddle. Pick a suitable location for the drain saddle. Align the adhesive plate on the front plate of the drain saddle. Then place the adhesive plate on your desired location on the vertical drain pipe. Carefully drill a hole in the drain pipe in the middle of the adhesive plate where indicated. Be sure not to penetrate the opposite side of the drain pipe. Attach the front and back panel of the drain saddle and tighten the screws and nuts provided evenly. Insert the 1/4-inch tubing to the connection on the drain saddle. Make sure to push the tubing all the way in. Connect the 1/4-inch tubing to the outlet slot on the back of the RO unit, securing with the clips provided. Connect the faucet power cable to the back of the RO unit, twisting in place until it is secure. Then connect the power cable to the back of the RO unit. You can now turn back on your cold water supply. Ensure you also turn on the tap on the 3-way valve. When you turn on the water supply, check if there are any leaks around the connections. When turned on, the RO unit will start working by automatically flushing the system and flashing orange lights. This water will be discharged from the drain pipe. After approximately 10 seconds, the flushing will end and the RO unit will be ready to purify water. You will see the lights change from orange to green. The light on the stainless steel faucet will also change from red to green when the unit is ready to dispense water. Water will flow through the filters directly to the tap. After installation and inspection, drain the water from the RO tap for at least 10 minutes. Repeat this at least 3 times over the next 24 hours. With the APLOS Alpha, you can enjoy crisp, purified water straight from your tap. Fresh, balanced and perfect with every pour. APLOS Alpha filter cartridge replacement. When it is time to change your APLOS Alpha filter cartridges, the system on the RO unit will first begin to flash yellow, indicating which filter needs to be changed soon. A red flashing light indicates that the filter life has expired and needs to be replaced urgently. The system will beep 5 times every 3 hours until the filter is replaced and reset. Filter lifespan can vary depending on water usage. Always refer to the operational manual for more details. To replace the filter, first start by turning off the water at the 3-way valve. There is no need to turn off the water supply valve. Open the tap on the faucet to drain the water and release pressure. Close the tap when there is no water left. Isolate power and unplug the unit. Next, remove the outer cover door by simply sliding it off. Then position the filter you are changing towards you for easier access. The filter will simply pop off. No need for twisting or use of force. Align your replacement filter and slot back into position. Again, no need for twisting or use of force. Press firmly on the bottom of the filter until you hear a click sound, indicating that it is properly installed. Replace the outer cover door by sliding back on. You can now turn back on the water at the 3-way valve and reconnect your power supply to the unit. Make sure to follow the instructions on your RO unit, as you must reset the filter lifespan after installing a new cartridge. Be sure to drain the water from the RO tap for at least 10 minutes after changing the filter. Please always refer to the operational manual for further installation guidelines and useful information. You can also scan the QR code on the side of your APLOS Alpha to get the most up-to-date manual and instructions. EPS, Rethinking Water.